Toyota's off-road heritage is legendary. This lineage lives on in vehicles like the all-new 2024 Tacoma, which is built for adventures on and off-road. Innovative off-road technologies show that this truck has all the ingredients of a truly impressive adventure vehicle. Featuring a tough chassis, a fully boxed frame with laser-welded blanks to maximize rigidity and minimize mass, as well as an available rear multi-link coil suspension and potent powertrains, Tacoma has the capability to go nearly anywhere. Take into account features like a locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, stabilizer disconnect mechanism, crawl control, as well as the multi-terrain monitor, and Tacoma's prowess off the beaten path becomes crystal clear, giving drivers the confidence to reach that next epic destination. At the heart of Tacoma's off-road capability are its robust powertrains, which are backed by advanced systems designed to enhance traction across a variety of surfaces. This means that the standard iForce turbocharged engine and the available iForce Max hybrid electric system can put their power down effectively, resulting in incredible performance off the beaten path. Electronic traction control systems, which are standard on Toyota trucks and SUVs, help control wheel spin on slippery surfaces. The way the systems manage traction varies based on the grade and drivetrain, becoming more advanced on certain off-road focused models. Overall, the application remains the same. Regulate the brakes and throttle to minimize wheel slip and maximize grip. Select vehicles also include a standard electronic locking rear differential to ensure both rear wheels can deliver power when more traction is needed. Meanwhile, vehicles equipped with full-time four-wheel drive have a center differential that can lock the front and rear axles together, helping maximize control in loose, slippery conditions. These systems allow for better grip on and off-road, making Tacoma a compelling midsize truck that goes nearly anywhere. To further enhance off-road performance, Tacoma's available part-time four-wheel drive systems not only provide added traction on loose surfaces, it enables the use of innovative technologies, as well as selectable 4-high and 4-low settings that help it get past tough terrain. By selecting 4-high, the driver gains access to features that improve Tacoma's capabilities when the pavement ends. One of these is Multi-Terrain Select, which can now operate with the vehicle in 4-high. This system allows the driver to select different terrain modes, tailoring the traction control to maximize grip depending on the surface that the vehicle is being driven on. What's more, Tacoma's new stabilizer disconnect mechanism helps generate even more traction when driving on challenging trails. By decoupling the left and right sides of the anti-roll bar, low-speed front-wheel articulation is improved during off-road driving, enabling the tires to stay in contact with the road surface, resulting in more grip and control. Need even more traction for the adventure? Engage Crawl Control, a system that electronically controls acceleration, braking, and wheel slip at low speeds through difficult terrain, allowing the driver to focus on steering the vehicle. Featuring 5 selectable speeds, Crawl Control enables the driver to choose the right setting based on the road surface. And whether going uphill or downhill, adding an extra layer of convenience when driving through tough trails. Tacoma's off-road tech goes beyond amplifying the truck's capability. It also brings convenience by improving the driver's field of vision. Need help seeing what's around the vehicle? That's where the multi-terrain monitor comes in. Using several cameras mounted throughout the vehicle, the multi-terrain monitor provides greater visibility of the road surface, allowing the driver to check vehicle surroundings and monitor the ground for obstacles that may not be as clear from inside the cabin. Accessed through the multi-terrain monitor menu, this clever piece of technology lets drivers select between multiple views around the vehicle. What's more, the system includes guidelines for added support when maneuvering on tight, narrow trails, making it as convenient as it is capable. Thanks to its incredible features, Tacoma makes off-road driving even more exciting and convenient. From features that help enhance traction, to ones that bring added convenience to the driver, Tacoma proves that Toyota is a leader in off-road performance, all while maintaining its unwavering commitment to safety, as well as legendary quality, durability, and reliability. Learn more about Tacoma's impressive capabilities and technologies at toyota.com.